So in this question it is given that a car is traveling on a road. The maximum velocity the car can attain is 24 meters per second and the maximum deceleration is 4 meters per second square. If the car starts from the rest and comes to rest after traveling 1032 meters in the shortest time of 56 seconds, the maximum acceleration that the car can attain is. So here I am going to solve this question with the help of velocity versus time graph. So let us consider the velocity versus time graph of this car. Initially the body is starting from rest and it will be accelerating for certain time. After that it will be attaining its maximum velocity. According to question, the maximum velocity is 24 meters per second. Once it attains its maximum velocity, it will continue to move with that maximum velocity for certain time. After that, it has to decelerate so that it will again come to rest. The deceleration is given as 4 meters per second square. Total time of travel is given as 56 seconds. So here the time will be 56 seconds. Here the velocity is 24. Finally the velocity is 0. And the acceleration is minus 4 meters per second square. So by applying v is equals to u plus at, we can say that the time of this deceleration will be 6 seconds. So here at this point the time will be 50 seconds. So this deceleration time will be 6 seconds. So before deceleration the car is going to move for 50 seconds. Let us assume that the car is accelerated till t seconds. So car is going to accelerate for t seconds, which implies it will be moving with its maximum velocity for 50 minus t seconds. We are given with the distance traveled by the car, which is 1032 meters. We know that the area under velocity versus time graph is nothing but distance covered by the body. So here we are forming a trapezium. So here we can say that area of trapezium is half into sum of the parallel sides into height of the trapezium. Sum of the parallel sides. Here this length is 56 meters and this is 50 minus t. So here this will be 56 plus 50 minus t. And height of the trapezium is nothing but the maximum velocity attained by the body, which is 24. According to the question, it is given as 1032 meters. So here this will be 12 seconds. So this is 106 minus t is equals to 86. So here t will be is equals to 20 seconds. Now consider this interval for which the body is accelerating. In this interval, apply v is equals to u plus at. Initially the body is starting from rest, so the initial velocity will be equal to 0. Final velocity attained by the body is 24 meters per second. This will be is equals to acceleration into time. Time we have just calculated 20 seconds. So from here acceleration will be is equals to 1.2 meters per second square, which is second option.